Welcome back, ItsyBitsers! Today I'm modifying this bedroom kit using my Cricut Maker. I've updated the colour scheme, fabrics, and made some new mini items along the way. So the original kit came with a light blue wallpaper, which I wanted to change to a textured teal wallpaper. To modify the kit wallpaper, start by scanning images from the original kit to ensure you have the right shape and dimensions to work with. Locate your preferred wallpaper on Google Images and copy and paste it into PowerPoint. Place your preferred wallpaper over the top of the original scanned image and then resize them to match the scanned page. It's an important step to measure the wallpaper dimensions from the original kit, like I've done here. If you skip this step, your wallpaper won't fit exactly on the kit. On the Insert tab in PowerPoint, click Shapes and select the square option. Then change the colour of the square to white. These white squares will be used to remove the window sections and the edge in this corner. Position your white squares over these spaces and use your measurements from earlier to ensure it's an exact fit. Remove the wallpaper template from underneath. You should be left with something like this. Save both of these pieces as a JPEG or a PNG file format. Head over to Cricut Design Space and create a new project. Upload your wallpaper images. Use the Magic Wand tool to remove the white space on your image. This will ensure the Cricut cuts through these areas. You'll want to save these as a print and cut, so the Cricut will print your wallpaper first before commencing the cut. Now, Design Space doesn't always retain the original size, so be sure to recheck your original measurements. And once you've got the right size, click Make It to proceed. Send it to the printer. Once printed, you're going to attach your printed wallpaper page to a Cricut mat. I selected medium cardstock as I was using a thick 200 GSM paper. Peel your wallpaper from the mat Have a look at that, a perfect fit. Now stick the wallpaper and the flooring to the wooden kit pieces. Most kits come with a lighting pack. I usually hold these wires together with my fingers, and once the two ends are touching correctly, the light will flicker. Now let's put the walls up. Next, let's make the elevated flooring that the bed will sit on. Putting it in place here right next to the window. And a roof section. When I looked at the picture of the desk in this kit, it was a lovely pine colour, but then when I pulled out the wooden pieces, they were almost yellow and really didn't suit the decor, so I decided to paint them teal. I ended up doing 3 coats to cover the yellow and provide a rich teal colour. Once dried, I assembled the desk pieces and placed them into the room. This kit came with sailor and green checked fabric, which didn't suit the colour scheme, so I bought some of this teal fabric to match. Start by cutting out the foam for the mattress. It needs to be soft and comfortable. Then cut out a piece of fabric that is larger than the wood mattress frame. I find using a glue pen here really helpful. Place a line of glue on the wooden part and then fold the fabric edges up. Then trim any excess fabric. Next, I'm going to make some pillows. Run a line of glue across the pillow and join the 2 ends together to form a tube shape. Roll one end inside and use tweezers to pull the remaining edges in, gluing it down. A fine tipped glue nozzle is really helpful here. Once you've secured one side, you can stuff the pillow with wadding, just don't overstuff it. Then glue up the other end. I made 2 other pillows in the mattress fabric. Then I've glued the mattress and the pillows to the elevated platform area. Now to make the shelves. These 2 parts stick together like a puzzle piece, and I glue the top part onto the bottom to make the shelf. Here is a time lapse of me making 20 miniature books. Time to put everything on the shelf. These are the posters that came in the kit. I wanted to customize them using my Cricut. Just like I did with the wallpaper, I located 3 posters on Google Images, and I saved these images and uploaded them into the Cricut design space as a print and cut. Once I had all 3 posters on a single canvas, sized exactly as I wanted them, I clicked Make It. Printing the posters first. Once printed, attach it to a Cricut mat. Then I stuck some clear contact over the top of the posters to give them a shiny poster look. I loaded my Cricut mat into the machine and the Cricut worked its magic. As you can see, the posters are shiny and they come right off the mat for me to stick onto the walls. This kit came with a computer, so I cut the templates and stuck the pieces onto the wood. First the keyboard, then the monitor. Then, to make the room complete, I decided to create some PC games for the desk area, which I made from scratch using the Cricut. I'll upload a tutorial for making DVDs, CDs and games in a separate video, so hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of my latest videos. Every desk needs a comfy chair. I start by sticking the fabric to the back of the chair and then cut slits in the fabric edges to make it easier to stick down. Put a small amount of glue and then fold the fabric inwards. I stuck a piece of cardboard and glued a second piece of fabric over that cardboard. Repeat this step for the seat area. Then stick the back and the seat together and the legs on. Pop that chair in its rightful place. This kit came with some other bits and bobs, a mini Eiffel Tower, some headphones, and a tiny telescope. And there you have it, guys. Lachlan's room is complete. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next.